Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the DD Trader. It is March 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir came back down. So 1194. We crossed 1194 for the past 2 days, but then guess what? We didn't have stochastic to support it. And guess what? We came back down. We closed at 1134, down 72. That's 5.97%. Post-market, we are even, Steven. Yeah, I said it. I said it. So this is why I always like to have a stochastic at above 60. My stochastic, not every stochastic, my stochastic. 2131. I like to have my stochastic over 60 when we have a cross of resistance to confirm it. And in this case, we did not confirm it. So I'm very happy. I did not go into this. I was going to say this POS, but no, this is a great company, but this is a shitty stock. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay, so 1 hour chart. So we opened above 1194, bang, came back down the first hour, and then we just trickled down for the rest of the day. What else is there to say? We still have MACD, we still have RSI, we still have RSI climbing up. So maybe not all is lost. So maybe we are going to bounce on $11 again and try again 1194. So these are all possibilities. Short term, we could not break 1194, but longer term or medium term, maybe this is just a little bit of a pullback before we try our luck again. We need to be patient. Investors and traders need to be patient. Patient for the right setup. When the right setup is there, we need to bounce on it, but we need to be patient and not jump the gun. You could have jumped the gun. This could have turned the other way. But in terms of probabilities, because we did not have stochastic, the probabilities were a little bit lower that the stock would be flying off. But it could have happened. It could have happened. So don't worry if you took the gamble. You just need to be conscious that it was a little bit more of a gamble. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you are a YouTube member, you will see a post where I will ask you to suggest me stocks to analyze for the special request video tomorrow. Being a member is only $5 a month, and you get to ask me stocks for me to analyze. How fast can you lose $5 on the stock market? We can lose $5 in a microsecond. We can lose $1,000 in an hour. So $5 is not a big investment. Think about that. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.